Hi everyone, my name is Rajveer Sidhu, and today I'll be going over my assignment 1 for my course COMP381 Machine Learning. So today we have our basics of understanding how machine learning works and some sample data that we are going to be working with. The assignment 1 actually goes quite in detail about some of the resources that we could use to to get started with the Python and Collab. So we have our link to Collab at Google's website. We have a couple of tutorials on YouTube. We have and then we have a couple of websites which could help us brush up Python if we haven't been in touch for long. So basically, all the code is provided in the assignment to from from downloading the data, which we will be working with, and then to how to modify data, how to create test sets, and how to visualize it further with graphs, and then how to prepare the data for machine learning algorithms, which is task 5. And then at the end, I believe we have select and train a model. Yeah. So this is a complete beginning from getting the data to visualizing to training and then to model it. So pretty much covers everything from the beginning. So I'll go over some of the things that we are done. So first we start with fetching the data. We use libraries like OS, starfile, pandas, URL lib, and then we have a function where we fetch our data. We have fetch underscore house underscore data to download the exact data set from specific URL, which is right here. And then we created a function named load underscore housing underscore data to load the data set into pandas data frame, allowing us to explore the data more easily. And then moving further, we performed some explanatory data analysis. We used functions like housing dot head and housing dot info to understand the structure of the dataset, which includes columns like longitude, latitude, median income, ocean proximity, and so there are about 20,640 entries, and with some missing value of our total underscore bedroom column. Here is a rough info of housing. So once we have our data all gathered and in our code, next thing we are going to do is data visualization. So we visualize the data using the histograms to understand distribution of different attributes. For example, median income, we have median house values, and then we're just going to use different graphs to display those values here, which actually works quite nicely with this web interface. Then moving forward, we have splitting data into training and the test sets. We split the data into training and test sets using train underscore test underscore split from I think it's called scikit-learn to ensure the model will be evaluated on unseen data. We also used stratified sampling based on income underscore cat column to maintain the accurate representation of income levels in both sets. And this is the code block for our train set and split train test. And then the same thing with that sets and is right here. This is the sklearn model import from train test split. So moving further, we have data cleaning and pre-processing. So we handle missing values in the in the total bedrooms column using median imputation, um, ensuring that our data set is complete for analysis. Additionally, we used one hot encoding to convert the categorical ocean proximity column into numerical form. And after that, we have um, our house data, rooms per household, bedrooms per room, and population per household. To enhance our data set, we added those features. These features capture more complex relationships, and that may help in improving the performance of the whole model. These are just a scattered diagrams of population based on longitudes and latitude data. Median house value, as you can see, will be is nicely colored, and it's shown with density and the value along the map. So moving forward from our scatter matrix, so next thing we're going to do, basically we're doing is processing and kind of making a pipeline of data to work with. So we created a pipeline using a pipeline module, which right now is, let me just quickly find that here. Pipe right here. Yeah. So we made a pipeline module which allowed us to automate data transformations steps like imputation, feature scaling, and custom feature addition. This ensures consistency and pre-processing for both training and test sets. Moving forward, we have correlations between house value and median income. And then we have correlation with median house value, indicating its significance. I think that was one of our graphs back here. Yeah, median income and median household value right here. So in summary, the assignment helps us understand how handle real-world data by downloading, exploring, cleaning the data, and analyzing it, and then processing it correctly. And yeah, it's been very interesting watching the data getting transferred from a scratch set to graphs, visualized, and then into a pipeline. I hope this will help further. Thank you.